Hello, hi and welcome everyone. In this video we'll quickly understand set and reset instructions in TIA Portal, one of the most important basics in PLC programming, right? Normally an output turns on only while the input is on, but in the real machines we often need a memory effect, right? Like a start button that keeps the motor running even after you release it. That's where set and reset instructions come in. The set instruction turns a bit on and keeps it on, while reset instruction turns that bit off again. Think of it like a light switch. When you press the start, and light stays on until you press the stop. And when you press the stop, light turns off. Let's see how it works. In the previous video, we created a basic project. Now let's go and continue from there. I've created a start, stop, and LED PLC tags for the start and stop being inputs, and the LEDs at the output. And also I have created a small screen just for demonstration. For now, don't worry about the HMI part. We will go through in the later videos. But for now, I just connected the start and stop to the inputs and this circle to the output, LED. You can see also I have created the circle I connected to LED PLC tag, which is this one. So when this one turns on, our circle turns on. We'll go through HMI in later videos. But for now, let's go and start. So yeah, we'll name it start network. We create a start, normally open contact, and here we will use the output LED, and you can choose it by double clicking and you choose the set instruction, or you can also go to the libraries in instructions, bit logic operations, and choose from here drag and drop. Like for reset, for example, I'll drag and drop, and here I will use the stop button to reset it. Here, the LED, we have to use the LED. So here, when you press the start button, we are setting the LED output. So when you press the start button, this circle LED turns on and stays on until you press the stop button. Here, when you press it, you reset it, right? Let's go download our project. So it's downloaded. Let's go online. And the network also, in the main OB, we also monitor our logic. Let's go and demonstrate it. So when we press start, we are setting the LED and it stays on until we press stop, right? I will do it again. Press and hold it so you can see that this one is also turning on. So it turns on and it sets. And when I press stop, it resets it. It's like a flip-flop, right? We can use different logic to set and reset without using set and reset instruction. So basically, to program one thing, you can use different logics, right? Different programming types. So let's go and demonstrate it. So what we do, we just use the normal one. Here we create another branch. We use another normally open. Now I'll explain you what's happening here. And here we use the stop button. So basically, the stop buttons are normally closed buttons in real machines, right? It's always closed until you interrupt it, until you press the stop button. So this is what's happening here. Basically, this part will be true until you press the start. So when you press the start, this whole logic will be true. It will turn on the LED, and when this is on, we are checking it. This is like a feedback here, right? We are checking the same signal here, and if this one on, this one turns on, and even if the start is off now, it will stay on until we interrupt it. Let's go and demonstrate it. This is how you latch a signal, right? So I press the start. It turns on. Like basically what's happening is you see here, this one turns on when we press the start one time. It turns on the LED, and here it's basically setting the LED to true, right? And then as the stop button is normally closed, it stays on until we interrupt it. This was it for today's video. Thanks for watching.